is Paul Ellis and I work at the Ireland Centre Lisburn Museum. We're delighted to be here tonight at Glenmore Activity Centre to support the project related to Hilden Primary School. It has a rich history and we're delighted to be involved in working with the community and the Community Association on the cultural and heritage aspects and lend our expertise to deliver what they want.
And I was the caretaker of Hilden School for 16 years until the day it closed. I had great relationship with teachers, staff, parents and pupils, and it was just a lovely community school, and there was so many fond memories as I was also a past pupil. And I remember Mr. Kerr, who, if you got your sums and your tables and your spellings right, he used to give you some fruit from his garden, and you had to take it even though it was rotten. But as again, he was a great role model, and we all had fond memories of the school, and I would just be so delighted to see something done with it, as it's such a beautiful building with great memories for everyone in the community.
I live quite local here, so just across the road in Queensway. I'm a local MLA, and I am so delighted to see life being breathed in to Hilden School, Hilden Primary School. Do you know, I think about what is our biggest asset around here in Hilden, and it has to be the people. But that little school from 1913 has played a part in that, because it educated all our people together, regardless of race, creed or colour. And the legacy of the school is the good, warm relationships that we have by the local people that live around here at Hilden. So just like it has educated all of us together in the past, maybe in the future that will continue. We have great assets and great choices, and sometimes when you go to a market stall or a marketplace, you need more than one stall. Let's hope that little Hilden School is that which ignites our great community that's around here and brings back fertility and our vitality back onto the lager. So Barbara, what was it like going for your first day to Hilden Primary School?
It was just like a wee family, and they just brought you in and sat you down and looked after you really, really well. And it was like that the whole way through Hilden School. I cried whenever I had to leave.
Do you remember the teacher, your first teacher?
I think it was Miss Battersby.
Yeah.
She was lovely.
Yeah, no doubt. But you wore these old-fashioned shoes, didn't you?
No, that was Miss Cannell.
Was it? I mixed her up there. But
and she was very serious and strict looking,
yeah,
but
well,
she had a heart of gold.
Yeah, but probably all of them had. But you know, the legacy of the school was everyone was educated together regardless.
Even before all this talk about integrate come in, we were through in together, and then on a Friday, one section of the community had the minister and the other section had the priest. And then whenever the religious study was over, we were back together again, and it was brilliant. And I have the best friends in the world, and when I still meet Hilden School pupils, we have a chat.
And that's
lovely.
That's the legacy of the school.
Yes.
And it's also the legacy of our great community.
Yes. And we got a great education at Hilden School. The teachers and the headmaster really, if they seen the ability there, they encouraged it and pushed you on.
Isn't it great to see new life being brought back into the school?
Marvellous.
Brilliant.
I drive down here quite a lot
too.
just to see the, to see the school.
The building's beautiful and it's so rich. And I mean, the heritage of the whole place. You have to congratulate all of those involved in trying to get this.
Oh yes, it's wonderful. I know Adrian, and as soon as he said this was happening, I said I'll be there. I bought the book, and I've got my name in the book too. It's not for anything bad.
Hi, my name's Ferguson and I'm a past pupil of Hilden Primary School.
My name's Lisburn and I'm a past pupil of Hilden Primary School.
I have very happy memories, and I think my biggest memory is the day that I started school. I remember walking down and being absolutely terrified.
My best memory of Hilden School is all my friends, like Anne, and we're still friends after all these years.
And we work together.
My name's Sharon Thompson, it was at the time. Went to Hilden School, absolutely loved it. But I love school in general anyway. Did you love school?
I loved Hilden School, and there really is some good memories which I like to.
My favourite teacher was Miss Hanthorne, who actually wrote that book anyway as well. And she took us for needlework and loved sewing.
Yeah. I
And
remember teaching me my alphabet, Miss Hanthorne.
Did you?
Yeah, I remember as far back
And you
as that.
sort of think, oh, for now, she's still alive and kicking, and you sort of think she's like should be about 150 now. No, but she died, and she's not, because we thought she was older because we were so young, you know, in school.
She still
remembers everybody.
By the name.
Everybody by their names and everything, you know.
And there was Mr. Guest.
Mr. Guest, we weren't too keen on him.
No, but he was about 7 foot
He was
tall.
the headmaster, and he was about 7 foot tall.
And it took 3 strides to get the full length of the school.
Yeah.
When you were in trouble.
Councillor Jonathan Craig, councillor for the Hilden area. Absolutely delighted to see that the first stage grant from the Heritage Lottery Fund has now been given to the old Hilden Primary School project. An absolutely fantastic project which will turn into a preschool facility, a cafe shop, a history museum, and an asset that this community will be absolutely proud of. I'm delighted to say that I wear not only the councillor's hat, but we got the council to purchase the school, but also as a member of the board of the education committee, I'm delighted to say that we were able to get a deal struck between the council and them and have the old school transferred into their ownership. So tonight I'm absolutely delighted to see it reach this stage. And I know there will be further consultation with the local community which will lead to a project that this entire community can not only buy into but be proud of.
My name's Adrian Bird. I'm Trust Director with the Resurgam Trust. In partnership with Hilden Community Association, we organised this community consultation around the future of the Hilden Primary School. I'm absolutely delighted to see over 60 people, local people, turn up tonight to hear plans for the school, to turn the school into a childcare facility, tea rooms and archive all the local history. There were some really good questions tonight, really good turnout, and 98% of it was all positive. The only negative comments were, and they're genuine enough from local residents, is around parking, around speed ramps and the increase in traffic. But in general, everybody in the room tonight was fully supportive of the plans. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody for coming tonight, thanking Lisburn and Castlereagh City Council for supporting us, for buying the building. We just heard today that the Heritage Lottery has awarded us a development grant. So we're going to be busy now for the next number of months in bringing the plans together, and hopefully in the next 2 or 3 years we'll see the Hilden Primary School brought back to life and be a valuable community facility for the local community.